Hey everyone, I just wanted to come live to you and let you know that I had a great day and opportunity to spend with Felisha Orchid. If you have never heard of her or seen her speak, I really encourage you to find her on Facebook, find her on the internet, Felisha Orchid. She has wrote a book. The one thing I took from this is that you need to be a better person, you have to be a better you. So her great example was when you're in an airplane and that face mask drops down, they say, make sure you secure yours before you help your neighbor. Well, that's so true to life. And then what she explained was, if you don't take care of yourself, how are you going to take care of those that need you, like your family? I have 2 boys. If I pass out on that plane, who's going to help them boys? So I need to make sure that I take care of me so I can take care of them. That's the one thing that I gathered from this retreat. So I encourage you, if you want to empower yourself, empower your business, make it to the next step in your life. You have a vision, but you don't know how to get there. You need to invest in Felisha. I can't say enough about her. I wish my day was actually a week, but I had the blessing to have her for an evening and day. So I encourage you to find her, Felisha Orchids, on Facebook or the internet. Thank you.